Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you've not done that, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So now let's see what we'll be expecting next on gold. Right, I told you guys for yesterday that gold will definitely going to push up. That was our prediction that gold will definitely going to continue to push up to take out this previous high. But guess what? Gold gave us that bullish move, which is not much, and it eventually came back. So we would be expecting it to continue to push up again. I will explain the reason why. Now, take a look at our gold. This is a trend to the upside. That means we are trending upward, right? Now, if you take a look at this here, we've seen this to be an high, and here comes the higher low. Here is the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and give us an higher high. Here is our higher low. So our next prediction on gold is to be a new higher high that we push up to take out this previous high, right? But eventually pushed up, came back to retest it. So we will be seeing markets to react within this level here. As we can see it, we should be expecting some reaction at this level, thereby gold should push up one more time. So another forecast, this will be for day traders. We should be expecting one more movement. Now have it in mind that if in case gold drops again, just in case, I'm just letting you guys know as markets can you make one movement. If in case it drops, have it in mind that it will push up again. So between these two levels are a potential buy. These are our potential buy. It's either from here get the buy, or we see it drop a bit before we eventually get the buy. So whatever we're looking for your buy setup, so subscribe so you will not miss out on